Four Seasons Plus Heated Towel Rails. The recommended installation height is 1300 mm. Next, attach the drilling paper to the wall. Drill at the positioning hole location. Then, remove the fixed base and fixing core from the main body of the towel rack. Pass the pre-buried wire through the middle hole of the base. Pass the pre-buried wire through the middle hole of the base. The fixing core is also secured with screws. Next step, take out the surface wiring clip. Cut off the power cord. Pull it out from the hole. Install the concealed wiring plug. Then you can connect the power cord. Install the main body of the towel rack. Tighten the hexagonal screws at both ends. After installation, test the function of the stepless rotary switch. The towel bar can rotate 180 度 flexibly.